Moving app icons from one screen to another is easy, but there's also a couple of simple mistakes that could get you stuck. If I want to move an app to a different screen, I'll just tap, hold, and drag it towards the side of my display, and it'll go to the next page. I can move across multiple pages, left and right, and once I find the page I like, I'll just let go. Now here's where some people mess up. Some will tap and hold the app first, and then let go when the options pop up like this. If I try to move the app now, it's not going to go anywhere. You need to do everything in one motion: tap, hold, and drag. Another mistake, and this one annoys me personally, is that if I tap and hold on the app too long, it'll go to my home screen. Not a problem if you're moving apps between your home screen pages, but in the app drawer, this is going to throw you off. On the home screen, everything works the same: tap, hold, drag. But when you're in the app drawer, your timing has to be just right. Tap and hold, and then move quickly when the app options show up. You can, of course, move apps within the same page as well, assuming you're using the custom order for your app drawer. If you've set it to the alphabetical order like this, everything will be forced to an alphabetical order, and there's no separate pages and no way to move your apps to a different order. But custom order allows you to fully customize everything and decide what goes where. And that's how you move your app icons. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.